Welcome back to Studio 4. So all of the holidays and things have kind of been sticking together, and you may have gone, oh my God, I didn't make anything for my loved one. Victoria is here. You're going to help us. It's budget friendly as well.
Budget friendly. Here's a glass for you. Let's grab a wine glass, a goblet. This is from like a dollar store type of situation. This product is called Luxe Water Effects. We're going to do this quick, short version. Normally you would have like a tumbler or like a tumbler spinner thing.
Yeah.
But for now, it's just you.
Hey, that's all right.
You're your own little spinner.
All right.
And you're just going to grab acrylic inks, because this is all non-toxic. So we can do it with our kids, or we can do it with our pets around.
So this we can get on your website, and then this you can find
Amazon,
any of your favorite places.
Yeah. And so to marble, you're just going to add a couple drips, like 2 or 3, and then continue just spinning your glass. Look how pretty already.
Oh, that is so cool. All right.
And oh, we've got another one right here. This is a really pretty one. I always like to add a white or a cream. So that is a trick.
Perfect.
Because it creates like a beautiful ombre look. So look at that. See how the colors are blending together?
I love this. See, yours looks like professional. I'm over here. We're gonna get it.
Just keep spinning and spinning.
I love this idea because I think, especially gifts from the heart, I think mean more than anything that you can buy. And so this is a great opportunity to get your kids into making this, make it with a loved one.
Yeah.
And you and I were talking about Valentine's doesn't have to be just about like romantic feelings and love. I always did something for my kids that was special. Even just wrote them a little note. You know, I was a single mom of 5 kids for a lot of years, and sometimes it's a little note and it's just a little gift bag, and that was it, and they were happy. Or I made them a whole dinner all with red, like spaghetti and sparkling cider that was red and all that. I love that. And I mean, these don't have to just have wine in them. You know, you can get the kids, they can put any of their favorite drinks in here. So it doesn't have to be just for wine. You can also find some other glasses.
Water mugs.
Yes, absolutely.
You can go on anything.
Let's talk about what you have going on, because I know we can find this at your website, but you've got some things that are kind of in the works.
Yes, so here in Amarillo, Texas at Royal Bar, it's inside Palace Coffee Company. February 23rd, it's a Thursday, I've got a glowing art show. So speaking of glow,
I was gonna say, we're gonna sprinkle here.
It's just a powder, commercial grade. You're gonna sprinkle a little bit, and all you need is the sun. You don't need like any special lighting. It'll just come in through the windows. You don't need to even put it outside. And then this will glow super bright. Again, it's commercial grade. So glowing art show at Royal Bar inside of Palace, and Thursday night, 6 to 10. And so for free classes, I thought I would share this with your community. Just go to Facebook and search for Win Modern Art VIP Tribe. And I mean you too. Like I know you love to do art. So I share free classes on there all the time. And it's just a tribute to all kinds of arts. So we have cake makers, bakers, culinary arts in there. I don't care if it's landscaping, crocheting. Like, I like to support and honor all the arts. And it's a closed group, so just click to join, because I don't want all those, I don't know what to, you know, we want to keep it positive and clean. So family friendly.
All right.
But yeah, Win Modern Art VIP Tribe on Facebook.
Perfect. We're going to finish these up. This is something that you can do tonight if you wanted to, or for another holiday, for your anniversary, any of those things. We've got more Studio 4 after this. Keep it here.